Ever wondered how Bangalore morphed into the Silicon Valley of India? This transformation didn't happen overnight. It's a story of strategic planning, investment, and the unyielding spirit of innovation. Rewind to the 1970s, the genesis of Bangalore's tech revolution. The Indian government, with a foresight into the future, pumped investments into the city's IT sector. This proactive move caught the attention of foreign giants like Texas Instruments and IBM, who found the city a perfect fit for their research and development centers. Fast forward a decade to the 1980s, the city's IT sector saw exponential growth. A perfect storm of skilled labor, government backing, and strategic location fueled this surge. Fast forward to the present day, Bangalore has evolved into a bustling tech metropolis. It houses some of the world's leading tech companies like Infosys, Wipro, and TCS. Not just that, it has also become a hotbed for startups, with over 10,000 currently operating in the city. With an IT sector worth over $100 billion and a projected growth to $250 billion by 2025, Bangalore is a force to reckon with. The city's top-tier universities and research institutions further propel this growth, making it a breeding ground for cutting-edge technology. Now, let's gaze into the future. Over the next 30 years, Bangalore's importance as a global tech hub is set to skyrocket. Its prowess in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and big data positions it as a key player in the technology of tomorrow. Furthermore, the rising affluence of the Indian middle class spells promising prospects for Bangalore. As technology becomes more intertwined with everyday life, Bangalore stands ready to cater to this burgeoning demand. To sum up, Bangalore is on a fast track to becoming one of the world's most pivotal tech hubs. A potent mix of talent, supportive governance, and a thriving startup scene sets the city apart. Over the next 3 decades, Bangalore is all set to ascend even higher in the global tech arena. So, watch this space.